Hello student, welcome to my channel Sudhir Biology. Today we start next part of the principle of inheritance and variation. So as you see, codominance. Before this topic in previous we are studied, that is, if in F1 generation either of two parent, if F1 generation is expressed only one parent's character, for example either tallness or dwarfness, then it is called as complete dominance. If in F1 generation in between two parents, that means neither dominant character nor recessive, then it is called as incomplete dominance. And third stage, in F1 generation it is resemble both parents. That means in F1 generation the character show from both parents, then it is called as codominance. Best example of this codominance is ABO blood grouping in human population. ABO blood group is controlled by the gene capital I, and this capital I gene has three alleles, right? The plasma membrane of RBC has sugar polymer antigen that protrudes from its surface, and the kinds of sugar is controlled by capital I gene. The I gene has three alleles, that is capital IA, capital IB, and small I, or you can say capital I0, right? Then the allele capital IA and IB produce a slightly different form of sugar, while allele small I does not produce any type of sugar. Is it clear? Capital IA and capital IB produce different kinds of sugar, but small I does not produce sugar. Each person possesses any of two the three I gene allele. IA and IB are completely dominant over I small I, right? And that means हम कह सकते हैं IA and IB, they are dominant, but small I is recessive. This is a recessive, right? And these are dominant. When capital IA and capital IB present together, by both express their own type of sugar, this is because codominance. Hence red blood cells have both IA and IB sugar. Means when either of all these three alleles, two alleles are expressed in F1 generation, then it is called as codominance. Here you can see there is a type of blood group A, B, AB, O. So in case of A, if blood group A, then there is a possible gene capital IA and I0, either both from one parent's I0 and one parent's IA, or it can receive from both parents capital IA, then it is called as blood group A. If blood group B, then both parents either contribute IB, or one parent IB and another parent I0, or in other words you can say I small I. In case of blood group AB, one parent contribute IA and another parent contribute IB, then genotype AB and blood group AB, right? If both parents contribute I00, then blood group is O. So you can see here clearly in blood group AB, both IA and IBG express their character in F1 generation. That means both are dominant. When both are dominant, then it is called as codominant. Now one more example. Now this is the multiple allele, which is based on the example again, blood group ABO blood group of human population. This is also example of multiple allele. So you don't confuse. Blood group of human population is example of codominance, as well as it also example of multiple allele. Why it is called as multiple allele? Because any character which controlled by more than 2 genes, then it is called as multiple allele. Any character which is controlled by more than 2 genes, then it is called as multiple allele. But we see here that in blood group there is 3 genes are blood group controlled by 3 genes, IA, IB and small I, right? So what is the combination? If blood group A, then genotype is IA, either one, or IA and small I, and it contains antibody B. And now blood group receive blood from blood group A and blood group O, right? But if it receive from blood group B or blood group AB, then bloods are clot. This is the wrong combination. Similarly in B, it also contains genotype IB or IB and small I. Antigen A hoga, then there is it can receive only from blood group B and O, but it cannot receive from blood group A and AB. Here is also blood clotting takes place. Blood group AB, there are 2 dominant genes, IA and IB, no antibody, that's why it can receive from all blood group. Blood group O, both recessive genotype, small I, both antibody A and B, that's why it cannot receive from all other 3 groups, that is A and B and AB. It can receive only blood group O. Now one more important topic, that is 2 gene inheritance, or it also called as dihybrid cross, and it is example of law of independent assortment. This is the law of independent assortment. Here you correct there is a misprint in this diagram. In this case there is a capital R and capital R, capital Y. Here is right, but in this case capital R and capital Y. If they are crossed between this capital R, capital Y denoted that round and yellow seed, right? But this small r, small y, this denoted that wrinkled and green seed, and this is round and yellow seed. Now if they are crossed in between, then in F1 generation they are produce hybrid seed. This is character based on the seed, round and yellow seed, wrinkled and green seed. In F1 generation all seeds are produced round and yellow seed, but they are hybrid. From these F1 generation there are 4 type of genotypes are produced: capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital Y, small r, and small r, small y. In this case, if they are cross self-pollinated in these plant, hybrid plant, then result here is capital R and capital Y. Then result is, you can see, you make a triangle like this. You can see the progeny present in this triangle, line of these triangles जो in line पर हैं. You can see all these are rounded seed and yellow seed. Rounded seed and yellow seed. कैसे हैं? Round and yellow seed, right? इनमें है capital R, capital Y. 1, 2, 3, 9 होंगे. These are 9. and these green, you can see these green, these are round but green seed, that means recessive Y. Okay, then ratio you can count 1, 2, 3. These are wrinkled but yellow seed, and one is green and wrinkled, that is small r and small y, right? So 9 ratio, 3 ratio, 3 ratio and 2 ratio, 1 ratio is present. So that is, and this in F2 generation, all are independently segregated, independently assorted. That's why it is called as law of independent assortment. All characters are segregated. Round and yellow, yellow and wrinkled, green and round, and wrinkled and green, all are segregated in this topic.